Hey guys, hey Marcellus here with Buckeye Goldens, coming at you with Toby. Look at that little guy. Very adorable little blocky face on him. Toby also scored a 3 on the Bullheart test. So 3s and 4s are what we love to see in our Bullheart testing. Just demonstrates a really solid personality with our golden puppies. He's a well-rounded little guy. He's gonna make a great little pal for you. Just a super inquisitive little personality. Toby is a fantastic little guy. He'll make you a wonderful pet. A well-rounded little guy. Toby, good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. How you doing? You're very cute. Good job. He's a very cute puppy. He's a very cute puppy. Yeah. Did you find a little toy? Did you find a little bear? Toby.